everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Khelo India Games. So basically when we start talking about the Khelo India Games, it is one of the quite popular topic among the other topics in the Indian sports system. This Khelo India Games is one of the initiatives started by Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports in 2017. What was the purpose of starting this particular program? When we talk about the focus on this program, we'll get to know that this program is going to revive the sports culture from very grassroots level. When we talk about the programs, the functioning of this Khelo India Games, it is going to talk about the talent identification, the infrastructure development, and multi-level games at national and international level for the athletes. Now, what are the importance of talking about these Khelo India Games? So there are few points which we need to consider when we talk about the Khelo India Games. Number one, this program provides mass engagement. Mass engagement means there are different level of programs and it is annually pre-planned. Accordingly, the calendars are made, so different athletes get ample amount of opportunities to participate in these particular games from school level to college and university level. The second main point when we talk about the Khelo India Games is that it is going to just involve all the caste, creed and cultures, providing a healthy environment for the athletes to learn, care and share. Apart from that, when we talk about the Khelo India Games, this particular program is going to provide the athletes get that opportunity with which they are getting the international exposure. They are pre-ready, they are getting that kind of readiness which is required at the international programs, competitions and different events related to the sports competitions. Apart from that, one of the most important point regarding this Khelo India Games is that this particular program is going to provide inclusiveness and diversity of the different types of athletes. And here we are going to talk about not only the able-bodied sports, we are going to consider the para sports also, the winter sports also, the beach sports also. So this diversity, this inclusiveness make this program much more convenient and important for the athletes from different states of this country.